So to make espresso with a nice little foam crema on top using the Bialetti Moka, what you need is, of course, your Bialetti Moka iconic coffee maker invented in 1933 in Italy from aluminum. We need some water. You can use a cup, but I am using a tempered glass, of course, for display reasons so that you can see what I am doing. The sugar you need, I am using brown sugar, but you can, and typically in Italy it is just bleached white sugar. And you'll need your espresso, you will need a spoon, and your favorite espresso cup. To make this, you're gonna unscrew the two sides of the Bialetti, you're gonna take out the filter, and you're gonna fill it. You're gonna fill it right over here. You're gonna fill this to water right till the level of that little spigot right there. This thing here, which you can see from both the inside and the outside, is the highest level you want to put the water at. And I'm going to set that here. I'm going to take the filter, which is the middle piece, and I'm going to put it in here. And in it, I'm going to just put my fresh ground espresso. You want to fill it up nicely, and you also want to press it in a little bit, just using the spoon that you put it in, okay? And then you're going to take these two and screw them together. Now my hot plate is already very hot, so we're gonna just sit here patiently and wait for the espresso to come out. So while this is coming out, and it will come out fast, so you have to keep an eye on it, and your window of opportunity is only a few seconds, I'm gonna put enough sugar that would be 2 spoons for every espresso I'm making. So if I'm making 2 espressos right now, I have 4 spoons, and I'm gonna have this spoon right here ready to go so that when the Bialetti starts spitting out that really rich beginning of the coffee, I'm gonna take it off and pour it in. There it is. So that first part came out. I'm closing this and I'm immediately using it right here, just a tad. I'm gonna let that keep on sprinkling, and then take this and I'm gonna just make a nice little paste from it. That is the sound of my childhood. All right. And there's your crema. How do you know that your crema is there? Another way to check it is to take your spoon, put it in the espresso, pull it out, and your crema will stick to your spoon. Now I made 2 of these because with the other one, I'm gonna make a cocktail. It does a lot more than just the sweetness. It does a lot to the texture as well. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and share it, and come back to Master Glass with me, Livio Lauro, where you get expert instruction for everyday consumption.